Happy New Year. Is it going to be a happy 2022 for small cap investors?
I think it will be. We're very excited for what we see in the small cap market today, especially as it relates to high quality growth companies in the small cap space. Many of these companies have pulled back over the past quarter, and it's an opportunistic time to buy many of them.
I love your glasses. Are they Warby? Are they Warby Parkers by any chance?
Actually, they are Warby Parkers, and that is one of the companies that we're particularly excited about. In this environment where everyone's spending more time on their screens, and as the population is aging, there is tremendous demand for prescription eyewear. And Warby Parker has a disruptive approach to the eyewear market, and they've got just 1% share today in this $35 billion market in the U.S. We think that they could be as much as 10 times or greater the size that they are today. Wow. And we know that their customers really love them. They've got a net promoter score of over 80 compared to about 30 for other retailers.
Well, listen, knowing your stock picks, that was not a random question about the glasses, but I'm lucky I got lucky on that one. Here's the thing, though. Investors don't seem to care. The stock is down 12% year to date. What are people missing about the Warby story?
I think that investors really ought to just focus on the long term. There are a lot of things that move stocks in the short term, and fundamentally, Warby Parker is very, very strong.
Okay. Revolve. This is not a name that I am that familiar with. It is another stock that you like. Who are they? Why do you like them?
Revolve Group is an online fashion retailer, and they understand the millennial and Gen Z consumer better than any company that we've encountered. They are doing an incredible job as it relates to using data to make all their merchandising decisions, which makes them really different from other retailers and really advantaged in this environment. And the other thing that they do really, really well is they really understand social media marketing, especially influencer marketing, and they have an incredible following.
So is this kind of a American Eagle? It's been super hot, by the way, going for that age group space. Looking at it, it appears it's kind of not a teen, but a tween or a millennial retailer. You're playing these growth trends. Maybe it's a demographic play as well.
It is absolutely a demographic play. And one thing that's important to understand today is that the millennial consumer and the Gen Z consumer, they have different behaviors and preferences than older generations do. And so it's incredibly important for retailers today to understand the new consumer. And Revolve does just that. They have an incredible understanding of this generation, and they know how to reach them.